Hello. Hey everybody, welcome to another video and good afternoon from Jaipur. I'm currently at Hawa Mahal, which was built in 1799 for the Maharaja at the time, but it's a pretty cool place, so let's go check it out. Also, if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel by clicking the link below. It only takes a second and it helps me a lot. Go ahead and click it. I'll wait for you. So Jaipur is a pretty busy place. It's the largest city and the capital of the Indian state of Rajasthan, and it has a population of over 3 million people. This historic city is part of India's Golden Triangle, which includes Jaipur, the Indian capital of Delhi, as well as Agra, which is home to the Taj Mahal. I actually came from Agra to Jaipur by train, which cost me about 220 Indian rupees, which is a little less than $3 US. But you can get to Jaipur by flight as well. They have a very nice airport. On my second trip to Jaipur, I flew out on New Year's Eve to the Indian state of Goa. Due to the color of the architecture, Jaipur is nicknamed the Pink City and is considered the gateway to other popular tourist destinations in Rajasthan, including Jodhpur, the Blue City, as well as Jaisalmer, the Golden City. One of my all-time favorite destinations in India is the city of Jaisalmer, the Golden City. I recommend you see it. You can check it out in my video by clicking the link above right here. So there is a small entry fee to get into Hawa Mahal. However, the most impressive part of the structure, in my opinion, is the rear facade of the palace. A lot of people think that this is actually the front of the palace, but it's actually the rear part, which you can see from the street for free. It's made out of red and pink sandstone and stands nearly 15 meters tall and has 5 different levels and nearly 1,000 small windows. The purpose of the small windows is for the royal women at the time to be able to look out and see the world. At the time they couldn't go out in public that often. If they did, they had to keep their faces covered. So this way they could see the everyday world, everyday life in the streets, as well as festivals and carnivals from the comfort of the palace. Also, Jaipur gets pretty hot during the summertime, so the hundreds of windows in the palace, as well as the fountains and the courtyards, help to keep the palace cool during summertime. So down a back alley from the main street is the main entryway, and the ticket counter is right over here. 200 rupees for tourists, that's about $3 US.
Yes.
So, thank you. So that's it everybody for Hawa Mahal. I hope you guys enjoyed and I'll see you guys next time.